Hello, friends, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well there. I just want to convey a simple message via this video that what should be our approach towards intraday trading. What we required. As per me, we required only three things. One is a good stock that moves around 3 to 5%, another is our stop loss, and third would be our target. So will after keeping these all 3 points in my mind, and we'll go further and see our recently traded stock and try to implement these basics on our trading platform. So for example, we have shared Godrej Consumer, NCC, Manapuram, Apollo Hospital, Finances. These all are recently traded stock for all of us, and we implement these all things in chart and get and analyze it how it's working or not. So we'll start from Godrej Property. मैंने दो दिन पहले दिया था गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टी, आई गेस, या अराउंड 700. So you look, on 3rd June we have shared a Godrej Property sell call around 700 level. So you see, means for intraday trading, I personally suggest you, if I share any call for intraday trading, then you have to wait for at least 5 minutes. सो फर्स्ट लेट वन मीन्स 5 मिनट का जो कैंडल रहता है उस पर एक रेड कैंडल बनने का इंतज़ार करो. एटलीस्ट वन रेड कैंडल एट 5 minutes चार्ट. वी शुड वेट फॉर फॉर्म दैट वन रेड कैंडल ऑन 5 minutes चार्ट. सो अराउंड 500 700 7 8 के अराउंड वो रेड कैंडल फॉर्म हुआ है. सो वी आर रेडी, मीन्स एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ मोमेंट we have a stock that I used to share. So first part is okay. I have shared a call with you all. मैंने call share किया, you got a stock, a good stock for that day. Second is our stop loss. What should be our stop loss? So after making the first red candle, we just initiate our trade. So if you see यहाँ 707 पे 707 रुपये पे हम लोग कॉल इनिशिएट कर सकते हैं. एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आपका जो उस हाइस्ट है, मीन्स 712 रुपये का जो टॉप बनाया है, वी जस्ट कीप आर स्टॉप लॉस अबव 0.5%. सो आर स्टॉप लॉस शुड बी 713 और 12 13 और 14. तो अभी रिस्क और रिवॉर्ड मीन्स 707 पे आपने ट्रेड इनिशिएट किया, आपका स्टॉप लॉस हो गया 714. सो रिस्क इज़ 1% एंड रिवॉर्ड ऑलवेज कीप रिवॉर्ड एज 3% इफ़ यू आर ट्रेडिंग ऑन माई कॉल. हमेशा 3% का रिवॉर्ड इनिशियली हमें लेके चलना ही है. सो इन दैट केस जस्ट चेक इट आउट. आपका 707 पे आपने सेल किया विथ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 714 and our target would be 20 rupees, guess. So see the moment. And the second thing, we have to see that by 1 or 1:30, between 1 to 1:30 we have to book profit. Whatever profit we are getting, we try to book it. And it's around 1 to 1:30, so around 506. So it's we exit at cost to cost or with minimum profit. So at least a loss, this is not a loss making trade. We end up with zero profit or a minimum profit. So just and we try implement. Now we'll see the another trade, NCC. I have not shared this call with you all, but I have traded for myself. Let me show you the chart. I have initiated buy call on same day. Around, I have shared the screenshot with you all that I got 55k around profit from this trade. So I have initiated call around 95 rupees, and our stop loss was below that day low, that is 93.80. I kept a stop loss around 93.80, and from there I booked around 100.20 rupees. So it's a good movement, and I booked a good profit within a hour. So it's working in this also. Now the Manappuram Finance. Last day I have shared with you all. I have shared the sell call around 139.40.85. So when you analyze the chart, the one red candle form around 140. So our sell call initiated around 139.50. यदि उस पॉइंट पे हम लोगों ने सेल कॉल इनिशिएट करता तो आर स्टॉप लॉस वुड बी अबव मीन्स 141.20, 141.80 और 142.10 का स्टॉप लॉस लगाते हैं. सो रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड इज़ 1.7, around 1%, just above 1%, and reward should be 5 rupees at least target रखते. So in that way, if we initiated our call and exited it between 1 to 130, so we are in 1 rupees profit. So it's not that profit making, but we at least it didn't hit our stop loss and we get something out of it. But in practically we end up with loss in this stock as well. Now the Apollo Hospital, very interesting, as many of us lose money in this. So yeah, so I have shared the Apollo Hospital call around 1290. Now you see the chart. So it's non-stoppable, and first red candle formed around 1220, and that point of time stock is already above 5%. So once the stock breaks the 5% upper or lower band, then we have to be cautious at that point of time, because once the 5% bracket is open, so next level will be it's open for 10%. So from that level it go up to 10%. So at means we don't try to make contra call on that stock. So suppose यदि हम लोग initiate करते as per our this study, if we initiated our call around 1210, then our stop loss should be 1216. So 6 रुपये का stop loss ही रहता है, and obviously we end up with loss making trade, but we saved our capital by keeping it randomly anywhere. And last is the Finance. I have shared Finance on 31st May, right? Yeah. So I have shared the Finance 31st May around 4:36. So one first red candle forms around just around 950, and price was 435. So if we initiated our trade at 445, then our stop loss should be around 438.39. So risk is 1% and reward should be always 3%. So 12 to 15% target will go for it, and in that way it hits our target by 130. So anyway, we have to exit by 1 or 130. So we booked around good profit in this. So if you apply these few basics, just change some mindset and you follow these few basics, then our risk and reward ratio would be very preferable, and that is in our way. So you can see means in last 5 stocks, one hits our stop loss of 6 to 7 rupees, that is 0.5%, and one is two is no one is no profit no loss, one gives some profit, and one is in full profit we have booked from Finance. So overall we are in profit, because we try to understand when we are going to initiate any trade, then there is nothing with us, only the chart, the market. However market reacts, we have to go for it. So we try to keep our losses limited, we try to keep strict stop loss, and then go ahead with the market movement. How much they are ready to pay, we are ready to take it. But knowing our stop loss is very important. So in this way, whatever the things I have shared with you, in this way we'll get proper stop loss, proper entry, and exit is okay by 1 to 130. If target hits, then it's okay, otherwise we try to get exit by 1 to 130. If we practice in this manner, then obviously we'll be profitable and we'll go ahead. In a long run we earn good profit. I'm practicing same thing for myself and doing well from last few years. So I suggest you all to apply these few basics on your trading platform and try to get benefited from it. This is the simple message I have to share with you all. So just implement it and get benefited from it. If you want any more suggestion, if you have any feedback, then feel free to give me. Lots of you are in my channel, and so message me, drop me message, so I'll make some another good video to sort out your issue, and look forward to make good profit in coming days. Thank you so much for watching this video.